XRP is back, Crypto Squad. Ripple's CEO just revealed a secret weapon that could make XRP a US government favorite. If you're not watching this coin, you're missing out. Let's break it down fast. XRP is up 5% this week, but forget the price. Brad Garlinghouse wants XRP in the US Digital Asset Reserve. Why? Because XRP is lightning fast, costs pennies, and banks love it. If Uncle Sam adopts it, boom. This isn't hype. It's a trillion-dollar play. Wait, the SEC lawsuit? Ripple's already winning. A judge ruled XRP isn't a security for retail buyers. If they crush the SEC, institutions will FOMO in. And guess what? The SEC's losing everywhere. Grayscale, Coinbase, XRP's revenge arc is here. Ripple's already working with 300-plus banks. They're building CBDCs, carbon markets, and instant payments. The Fed's new system? XRP could be the backbone. This isn't a maybe, it's happening. You in. XRP is sitting at just $0.53, a steal compared to its $3.40 all-time high. If the US fully adopts it, we're looking at 10-plus potential. Even without that, Ripple's global partnerships are huge. So, buy now and thank me later. Or watch from the sidelines while it pumps. Your move. Like if you're holding XRP, comment Moon if you're bullish, and subscribe for more crypto fire.